Good morning, children. This is our first meeting or first class after the first terminal examination. This is for class 2 children, and the subject is GK, general knowledge. So just you take out your GK book and just open your book. The new chapter we are going to start after the first terminal examination, that is the chapter number 22. This is our first video, so I am writing here part 1. Okay, and I'm also writing here today's date. It is 17th September. Okay, so this is my first video for GK class part 1. I have written here, and today's date also you are writing. You have to write in your GK copy as well as in GK book in this chapter. This chapter you have to open in page number 45. So 45 you have to open in your book. Now we are starting with lesson number 22, and you can see that the name of this chapter is Eating Your ABC. So it is related with fascinating science. This chapter is related with your science chapter. The things or the topics which we are going to learn in this chapter, it is related with science. So eating your ABC. Vitamins are nutrients that our body cannot make itself. We must get these vitamins from foods. Our body needs different type of vitamins for getting the energy, and these type of vitamins we can get from foods. That is why it is so important to eat foods that have essential vitamins. So while eating your food, you have to keep in mind that you are going to take different type of vitamins which is very important or which is very essential for your body. Now fill in the blanks with vitamin names A, B, C, D, E or K. So these are the name of different vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A and vitamin K. A, B, C, D, E or K. You can see that different pictures are given in this pyramid or in this box. You have to identify the vitamins. So you just take out your pencil also with you, and we will start with number 1. So in this triangle you can see papaya, fish, carrot. These are the different food items. Keeps your eyes, skin, teeth and bones healthy. You have to identify the vitamin. So it is the vitamin A. So I have written here vitamin A. Also you have to write in your book. Then after you have to write in your GK copy. Number 2. Number 2, you can see different dry fruits are there, milk is there, chicken is there, fish is there. Converts food into energy. These are the different food items which converts your food into energy. This is our vitamin B. So you have to write here vitamin B. Next one, number 3. You can see the grapes, the tomatoes, then you can see pineapple, you can see oranges. So these are the different type of fruits. Heals wounds and fights disease, germs. So which vitamin is this? We have to, while looking at these pictures, you have to identify the vitamin. Which type of vitamin we will get from these food items? It is the vitamin C. Next one is number 4. Essential for strong bones and teeth. Sunlight is there, milk is there, curd is there, egg is there. So these are the essential for strong bones and teeth. Which vitamin is this? It is vitamin D. Next is number 5. Keeps our heart healthy. So these are the different fruit or different vegetables or different food items from where we get the energy or the different vitamins. You have to identify the vitamin. You can see there, here it is the avocado. Then you can see some different dry fruits are also there. So keeps our hearts healthy. We will get vitamin E from these fruit items. Next one is number 6. Number 6, cabbages. Different type of vegetables are here. Cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli. Then you can see here the sprouts. Then you can see the eggs. Keeps our blood healthy. This is for vitamin K. So we will get these vitamin K from these food items. So you just also write in your book vitamin K. We will move in next chapter, that is in next page, page number 46. It is a health quiz. Health quiz. Take this health quiz to find out how much you know about health and wellness. One by one we will go to learn the question and then give the answer. First one, what is the most important meal of the day? Of course, it is breakfast. Next one, number 2, how many portions of fruits and vegetables should you have a day? The answer is 5. 5 portions of fruits and vegetables we have to take. Number 3, how often should you exercise? At least once a day we have to exercise. Number 4, how much sleep do you need every day? Every day we need 6 to 8 hours. Number 5, potatoes and rice are the give you energy. Potatoes and rice give you energy. Number 6, how many glasses of water should you drink every day? We have to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. Number 7, what should you not do before exercise? That is, eat. Before the exercise you should not eat. Number 8, how much of your body is water? Answer is 70% water is there in our body. Number 9, which of these is junk food? Junk food, that is chips. Chips are the junk food. Number 10, which meal should be light? Which meals we have to take very light, very little? That is the dinner. Dinner we are taking at night, so we have to eat very lightly, very few things at night. Number 11, your average weight at the age of 7 should be 23 kg. Number 12, which food is best for your bones and teeth? It is milk. Milk is best for our bones and teeth. So this is the health quiz, and we have already completed this health quiz. The next chapter we are moving, that is chapter number 23. It is also related with food. So this chapter number 23 is also related with our foods, but foods to avoid. Which foods we are supposed to avoid? This one we are going to learn in this chapter. Fatty foods, sugary foods, salty foods and spicy foods are foods you may love, because generally we are loving this fatty foods, the sugary foods, salty foods and spicy foods, but we are supposed to avoid these foods. We are loving it because they are tasty, but they are not the best foods you can have. They are high in calories, low in nutrients and even harmful to your health. So you should avoid having them or have them only once in a while. We are not we are not going to avoiding completely these type of foods, but little bit you can avoid these foods. At least once a while you can take it, but in rest of the time you have to take healthy food from which you can get some kind of energy, from which you can get some kind of vitamins, which is very helpful or which is very healthy for your health or healthy for your body. So which type of foods we have to avoid, we are going to learn in this chapter. Look at the food wheel and pick up the foods that are bad for you. Discuss why they are bad, then write their names in the blanks given. Different foods are given here. You have to find out which are very not healthy for you. The first one is burger. Is it healthy for you? No, burger is not healthy for you. It is spicy food. So we have to write the name of this burger in the box which is given at the bottom of the page. So write here burger. The next food you can see, it is apple. Apple is healthy food, so we can take it. We have to take it. We should take it. Next one is bread. Bread is also healthy food, but the another one is chips. Chips is junk food, so we have to avoid it. So write this chips in that box. The next triangle you can see pastries. Pastries are comes under the junk food, so you have to avoid it. Milk, it is healthy food, so we have to take it. Mango, it is a healthy food, so we have to take it. But soft drinks, these are not healthy for you, so you have to avoid it. Then next one is eggs. Eggs are comes under healthy food, but pizza is not healthy for you, you have to avoid it. Next is chocolate. Chocolate is not healthy, it is sugary, so you have to avoid this one. But banana is healthy for you, so we have to take it. Next is papaya. Papaya is a fruit, we can get vitamins from this fruit, so you have to take it. Chicken is also healthy, so we have to take it. Ice cream, we have to avoid this one. French fries, we have to avoid this one. So these are the different foods we have to avoid. I have already put the tick mark which food we have to avoid. You have to also put the tick mark on these foods and write the name of these foods in this column. I have already written for you. You can write it from here. The first one is burger. Next one is pastries. Third one is pizza. Fourth one is ice cream. Fifth one is chips. Next one soft drinks. Another one is chocolate. The next is French fries. So these are the different food items which we are supposed to avoid it. So in today's class we have learned about our foods, healthy foods and the junk foods or the foods which we are supposed to avoid. So I hope that you are following all these food habits which we have learned today. You are following the healthy food habit and you can get more vitamins or proteins inside your body so that you can get more energy for your studies. And we will meet in, that's all for today's class. We will meet in next class with next chapter, next new chapter in next video. So till that, thank you and have a nice day.